Dubai is well acquainted with the concept of constructing groundbreaking and occasionally some crazy mega projects. Even though the current skyline is already impressive, the evolution of the city is by no means complete. Ranging from an unparalleled endeavor in ocean restoration to an extensive urban master plan poised to fundamentally reshape the city, today's video offers you a glimpse into the Dubai envisioned for the year 2040. Comparing snapshots of Dubai from half a century ago, one could easily mistake it for an entirely different city. Nestled in one of the world's most unforgiving regions, the city's accomplishment can only be characterized as miraculous. Emerging from its origins as a modest port town along the Arabian Gulf, Dubai has been transformed into one of the planet's most luxurious destinations. With feats such as the world's tallest skyscraper and entire artificial crafted archipelagos, the city continually pushes the boundaries of what can be achieved in construction and architectural design. To completely understand the rapid and drastic changes in the city, it's important to delve into its origins first. The discovery of oil in the 1960s catalyzed unparalleled infrastructural expansion in the region. The population skyrocketed from a mere 60,000 inhabitants to nearly 1 million within the span of a century. Dubai embarked on a journey to establish itself as the premier tourism hub of the area. During that era, ambitious mega undertakings like the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, and Palm Jumeirah achieved immense success. However, this dynamic has gradually evolved over recent years as neighboring nations like Qatar and Saudi Arabia also vie for global prominence. Moreover, certain projects in Dubai have been delayed or deemed excessively ambitious. Does this signify the end of Dubai's transformative journey? Not exactly. Their vision of the future has evolved, leading us to the most remarkable mega projects that future Dubai envisions. Let's start with the Dubai Reef. This ambitious plan involves creating a vast artificial reef spanning 200 square kilometers along the entirety of the city's coastline. To put this into perspective, this single undertaking will cover an area more than 5 times larger than the entire city of Dubai itself. The intention is for this reef to become the habitat for an impressive 1 billion corals and over 100 million mangrove trees. But what's driving this initiative? Dubai is addressing a significant problem caused by its massive projects, particularly their negative impact on the environment, specifically marine life. The Palm and World Islands, iconic symbols of Dubai's economic prowess, are engineering marvels but have led to detrimental effects on nearby waters, resulting in coral mortality and extensive disruption to underwater ecosystems. To counter this, Dubai is proposing a groundbreaking mega project aimed at revitalizing the coastal waters of the Emirates. This is why the Dubai Reefs are set to span the entire coastline. The project will additionally incorporate floating islands housing facilities for marine research and tourism. At its core, this massive endeavor will host a marine institute entrusted with safeguarding Dubai's coastal ecosystem. The ultimate goal is for the Dubai Reef to serve as a model for ocean living and to mitigate the impacts of climate change, with the aim of completing it by 2040. Continuing along this line, Dubai introduces what's known as the Dubai Loop, a covered urban highway stretching 90 kilometers in length. However, there's an interesting twist. It's not intended for cars, but rather for walking and cycling. The objective was to link over 3 million residents using modes of transportation that promote health and are eco-friendly. Given that summer temperatures can soar to an average of 40 degrees Celsius, Dubai isn't exactly the most conducive place for walking or cycling. To tackle this evident challenge, the creators of the loop devised a straightforward yet ingenious solution. They're making the entire highway indoor and climate controlled. Yes, you heard that correctly. This entire 90-kilometer span will exist within a controlled climate environment that operates 24/7. Beyond its climate regulation features, the loop will encompass a diverse range of infrastructure, offering recreational and wellness amenities for residents. Indoor parks will be available for recreational pursuits and social gatherings. This massive structure will wind throughout the entire city, linking key urban zones. The loop's creators assert that it will run entirely on renewable energy, incorporating kinetic flooring that converts vibration from walking and cycling into electricity to power the indoor highway. Although, in order to achieve this requires a profound grasp of science and engineering. If the recently introduced Las Vegas Sphere didn't leave you awestruck, Dubai has something even more astonishing in store: Dubai Moon. With a diameter surpassing 200 meters, this replica of the moon would outsize the MSG Sphere in Las Vegas and come with a price tag more than twice as hefty. This $5 billion real estate venture by Canadian company Moonworld Resorts is set to join Dubai's extensive lineup of mind-boggling mega projects. This establishment will serve as a lavish hotel and resort, boldly claiming to offer guests a space travel experience from Earth. Situated atop a 30-meter base, the moon will encompass 4,000 rooms, an arena capable of accommodating 10,000 individuals. Beyond its proposed Dubai location, there are intentions to establish additional moon resorts across the globe. Illuminating brilliantly during the night, the exterior of the structure could even accurately mimic the various moon phases, utilizing technology akin to that of the Las Vegas Sphere. However, unlike its American counterpart, the moon will not only exceed in size, but will also feature a fully spherical design extending from base to apex. Next in line is the Dubai Healthcare City, an advanced floating island aiming to offer top-notch healthcare and luxurious living. This venture is conceived to fuse Dubai's finest attributes into one ambitious architectural feat. When compared to other projects discussed here, the Dubai Healthcare City primarily stands as a proof of concept. Various elements of its design hinge on technology that is not yet accessible. Nevertheless, it's intriguing to envision how Dubai might appear in the distant future. The entirety of the city complex will take on a crescent shape, blending Islamic design elements with Dubai's opulent architectural style. The project is divided into three key components that will define the city's main functions. The heart of it all will feature a towering skyscraper, functioning as an educational and research institute. Rising more than 160 meters above the water, this central building will span up to 1 million square meters in floor area. Its purpose will encompass education, research and development, exhibitions, and even house a science and technology park. Encircling the central skyscraper will be 14 smaller individual towers, each specializing in distinct medical functions. Lastly, positioned at the outer extremities of the crescent, 24 hotels will symmetrically encase the soaring focal point. Beyond surface-level development, the entire project will be accessible via a dedicated underwater highway and transportation system. The city will integrate futuristic transportation methods, laying the groundwork for a monorail system and electric cars. In addition to these upcoming ambitious projects, Dubai is also set on completely revamping the city's foundation. Similar to Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, Dubai has outlined an extensive strategy to address various urban challenges. The Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan has a straightforward yet complex aim: to reshape Dubai into one of the world's most livable cities. But what does this entail and how will it be accomplished? A major objective of this master plan involves redeveloping three key urban zones to function as distinct city centers. Additionally, two fresh urban hubs are in the works: the Expo 2020 Center to the south and the Dubai Silicon Oasis Center to the east. Crafting these novel city centers seeks to enhance Dubai's efficiency by allocating specific areas for specific functions. The planned loop will serve to link these new city centers, while Dubai also strives to establish an extensive public transportation network citywide. The city aspires to completely overhaul its currently perplexing and disjointed road and transportation systems by 2040. Their ambition is to evolve into a 20-minute city, emphasizing sustainable rapid transit, cycling, and pedestrian infrastructure. Furthermore, in order to elevate residents' quality of life, Dubai intends to double the expanse of its green spaces. Over the next 2 decades, the Emirate plans to dedicate 60% of its land to transform it into nature reserves and wildlife sanctuaries. By augmenting these green areas and public parks, Dubai envisions evolving into a flourishing oasis. Moreover, vital sectors like education and healthcare will also witness a significant expansion in dedicated land areas. Currently, Dubai's transformation showcases unparalleled feats in groundbreaking architecture and engineering. Despite already demonstrating its prowess in constructing extraordinary megaprojects, there are still much more on the horizon. What are your thoughts on this evolution? Do you believe these megaprojects bring value to the city? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.